Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. In this image, you have to identify the missing number that will replace the question mark. An active mind can solve this riddle within 30 seconds. You are required to look at the matrix carefully before answering the question. In this image, you are supposed to identify the number belonging to each shape like triangle, circle, square, and diamond. Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution. Once done, continue watching the video for the right answer. Let me explain the solution now. In this brain puzzle, you need to count the number belonging to each shape and then identify which number will replace the question mark. In the first row, there are 4 triangles. Through the first row of the matrix, it can be derived that sum of 4 triangles equals 32, 32 over 4 which is equal to 8. Hence the value of triangle shape is 8. In second row, there are 2 triangles and 2 circles, and we already know the value of triangle, which is 8. After replacing the value of triangle, expression becomes 8 plus 8 plus 2 circles, which is equal to 28. It indicates that circle equals 6. At this time, third row cannot be used to calculate the values of other 2 shapes because there are 2 unknown values. Hence, let's consider third column. In the third column, we already know the value of triangle and circle. After substituting the value of triangle and circle, it indicates that diamond equals 4. Now consider third row and substitute the value of circle, diamond and triangle, which indicates that square equals 10. Now we know all the values which is required to find the value of first column. The value of triangle is 8, the value of circle is 6, the value of diamond is 4, and the value of square is 10. To identify the value of first column, we need the value of square, circle, and triangle. After substituting the value of triangle, square, and circle, the expression will be 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10, which is equal to 32. So the answer to the puzzle is 32. Using creative and analytical thinking will help you to derive answers in such brain teasers. This puzzle was tricky but simple as it needs less time and brain power to solve. But it sure feels great when you figure out the answer in a few seconds. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.